Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. I'm at Wynn Encore Boston Harbor. Here in a Harborview room, I used Amex Fine Hotels and Resorts credit, $300 off the rate that was around $400. I think a really good deal. Very, very spacious room. See the king bed in the center, nightstands on both sides, ample plugs, a tablet controlling the room lights, the TV, the temperature, and much more. Get a view of Encore. Room controls, brightness, sleep mode, TV watch. See art on the walls. This is comic book style, perhaps from the 1960s, 1970s. Minibar, avoid the minibar as always. Nespresso coffee maker with complimentary water. Temperature controls on the wall. And this is the harbor view. Here during the day, rainy, foggy. Can't see it too well, but we can at least see what looks to be a highway outside, some smokestacks, windmill, and the property itself in the center jutting out to the harbor. See many buildings in the back and Encore on the side of the building. Table in the center with some of my camera equipment, setting up this new microphone, and a desk for laptop use. This is the welcome letter, Encore Boston Harbor, Fine Hotels and Resorts. 12 p.m. check-in when available. I got here around 10 or 11, and they checked us in early. Here with a friend, Heidi. Room upgrade upon arrival. Got the Harborview room. Daily breakfast for 2 people, $40. America Loves Math, total of $80. In-room dining, or Giardino, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, not eligible for Dunkin' Donuts. Boston runs on Dunkin', but not FHR. Guaranteed 4 p.m. late checkout. FHR special amenity, $150 spa and salon credit, even for a spa day pass. Complimentary Wi-Fi as well. Spacious desk. Have a couch included with more of the comic book art, more complimentary water. See lavender linen spray. Welcome to Encore Boston Harbor. Lots of lighting throughout the room for sure. Extra lights on the top, and looks to be an Alexa Heidi in the hallway here, and a large closet, ironing board, hangers, slippers, umbrella, good for today, and a room safe. Looks to be a lint roller on the side as well, shoehorn, and into the very spacious bathroom. Walk-in shower as my voice echoes, and we have the bottles, body wash, conditioner, and shampoo instead of the fixtures on the wall. Heavy door on this side. You can see the tile on the bottom, shower head at the top, and a fancy handle showing the hot and cold. A very large bathtub and golden handles on the outside, soap included, and various mirrors, more decorative on the side. Huge bathroom desk. We have a chair if you ever wanted to sit on a chair in a bathroom. This is your opportunity. And a small TV. Perhaps be in the tub, watch TV, use the chair, put makeup on. Hair dryer on the bottom, scale, and lots of towels. See a box for items. Ooh, there we go, that was loud. Mouthwash, cotton swabs, body lotion, toothbrush, necessities. Buff, polish, stain remover, makeup remover, shower cap, and the makeup mirror. More of the art. I don't care, I'd rather sink than call Brad for help. And the toilet, nothing too special here, although quite a special, spacious room. Walk out and get one more view. Before that, lights, nightlight, it's smart controls on the wall. And one final look of the room. Just a one-night stay with the Amex Fine Hotels and Resorts credit. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from Wynn Encore Boston Harbor, recorded in late December 2025. Stay tuned for more content.